Here's the BioBunny Island Classroom blog. Students would be able to check their assignments and go to all the video links that are on YouTube and also available on the island on the billboards that you encounter. Using Smilebox, I created a presentation that would either be linked to from the class blog or would be embedded in a post. Each page on the presentation has a video which you can click on. You can read the text and click on the video. Here we are on Genome Island. We're going to go inside. And you can click to the next page. And as I mentioned, each one of these would be able to play. Just to give you some examples. Also on the website you can download the flashcards and use with the Aurasma app. Here's an example of using the Aurasma app. I'm using it with in front of a computer image. Usually would you use them with the flashcards. It's a little hard to see that using the app in front of the computer, but it'll give you an example. It would be nice to have an extra pair of hands to do this, but let's try it. So you want to go to your Aurasma app, which is starting now, and then use the image that you have put in as your trigger image.
My name is Ribo, the rat. That's short for ribosome. A ribosome is a large and complex molecular machine.
Which you can see this video in a minute. And here's what the video would look like. Cells have many parts, each of which a different function. Some of these parts, called organelles, are specialized functions that perform certain tasks within the cell. Human cells contain the following major parts: cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance that surrounds the nucleus; endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, that helps process the molecules created by the cell; Golgi apparatus.
Hi, my name is Ribo, the rat. That's short for ribosome. A ribosome is a large and complex molecular machine found within all living cells. Ribosomes are where RNA is translated into protein. This process is called protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is very important to cells, so there are a large number of ribosomes found in the cells. Ribosomes float freely in the cytoplasm, the goo inside all cells, and are also bound to the endoplasmic reticulum. The what? Oh right, you don't know about that yet. Coming in a minute. Let's go inside the cell.
Okay, see? That's the cell membrane, and that's the nucleus.
See those little circles? Those little black dots? Those are ribosomes.
Okay, so the ribosomes stick to the endoplasmic reticulum, and it's called rough ER because the ribosomes are stuck on there, making it rough. The rough ER is attached to the nuclear envelope that surrounds the nucleus. The direct connection of the ER and the nucleus allows for molecules to move through both membranes. See? I told you we'd get to endoplasmic reticulum. Now, on the next screen, go talk to my friend Goldie about Golgi body.
And this is the video Eileen took on my island for the practicum course.
This is BioBunny Island, and it's a virtual space designed as a place for learners to explore 3D models of cells and cell functions to teach cell communication and cell organelle functions to upper middle school learners. This is where learners will find a series of billboards with video presentations for each organelle depicted. Learners can view the videos as many times as they like and can move through the island at their own pace. Eventually, each billboard will have a game element attached. Learners will answer quiz questions on the material presented and win points or badges for correct answers. So this is a view of a 3D model of an animal cell with all the organelles in it. Learners can go inside it, around it, and take an up-close look at the organelles. I hope to explore scripting more so that I can make the organelles spin within the cytoplasm and trigger note cards for each organelle. That will give a brief description of the organelle and its functions. Near the classroom space, you'll find the first and currently the only portal on the island. Eventually there will be many more. Avatars touch the white rectangle, and are transported to the organelle tower to explore more 3D objects. So we've just portaled in, and you can see the cell tower behind me. On each level, you'll eventually encounter a 3D model of the organelles and a 2D representation of that organelle with multimedia presentation, talking further about cell function. On the second level, you'll see an organelle of the organelle tower. You'll see the large ribosome in the two sections, and at the very top, you'll see the Golgi apparatus. Eventually, given more time, I'd like to include directional signs and assignments so learners are given some guidance to what to see and where to go on the island. So now we're in the arcade area, and I'm on the Ferris wheel. Eventually, once I'm able to explore scripting more, I'd like to actually have some of the games and the rides on the island work and be prizes gained through points gained through the game. So you would be able to actually ride on these rides with points. And here we are in front of the arcade section. You would be able to use your points gained in the game to actually play these, hopefully once I get some scripting working. That's about it for Bio Bunny Island. I hope you come back sometime and check it out once I've been able to build up a few more organelles, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.